This whale had teeth bigger than your hand. It didn't hunt fish, it hunted other whales. It was over 17 meters long, weighed more than 50 tons, and its jaws were built not for feeding, but for killing. But the most terrifying part is, it lived at the same time as Megalodon, and the ocean was not big enough for both. Around 12 million years ago, the oceans were filled with life. Massive whales moved slowly through deep waters, feeding peacefully. Everything looked calm on the surface. But deep below, something powerful was moving fast. A giant shadow, larger than anything nearby. It wasn't a shark, it wasn't a normal whale. It was something different. As a group of smaller whales swam together, one of them suddenly changed direction. It sensed danger, but it was already too late. From the darkness, a massive predator charged forward. Its jaws opened wide, filled with enormous teeth. Within seconds, chaos spread through the group. This predator didn't chase randomly. It targeted, it attacked with precision. This was Livyatan, the whale that hunted whales. Livyatan lived during the Miocene epoch, around 12 to 13 million years ago. It was one of the largest predatory whales ever discovered. Its size alone made it terrifying, but size was not its only advantage. It could grow up to 17 meters long, which is nearly the size of a modern sperm whale. Its weight could reach over 50 tons, but unlike modern sperm whales, Livyatan had massive functional teeth in both jaws. Each tooth could grow up to 36 centimeters long. These were not for display, these were weapons. And here's where it becomes truly dangerous. Most modern whales do not hunt large prey. They either filter feed or hunt small animals like squid. But Livyatan was different. It was built for hunting large marine mammals, including other whales. And that made it one of the top predators of its time. But here's the twist, it was not alone at the top, because during the same period, another giant predator existed. A massive shark, even larger than Livyatan, which also hunted whales. This means both predators shared the same food source. And when two apex predators compete for the same prey, conflict becomes inevitable. Scientists believe that Livyatan and Megalodon likely encountered each other. And while direct fossil evidence of fights is rare, the possibility of these two giants clashing is very real. Imagine the scene, a giant shark attacking from below, and a powerful whale fighting back with massive teeth. This was not just hunting, this was survival at the highest level. And here's where Livyatan had an advantage. It was not just powerful, it was intelligent. Modern whales are known for complex behavior, communication, and strategic hunting. It is likely that Livyatan also had advanced hunting abilities. It may have targeted weak or isolated prey. It may have used speed and coordination, while Megalodon relied more on ambush and brute force. But even with these advantages, being a top predator comes with a cost, because large predators require large amounts of food. And when food becomes limited, survival becomes difficult. And this is exactly what started happening. During the late Miocene, the ocean environment began to change. Climate shifts affected marine ecosystems. Temperatures changed, currents shifted, and food chains were disrupted. Many whale species began to decline or migrate. Some moved to colder regions, others evolved into smaller or faster forms. This directly impacted predators like Livyatan, because less prey means more competition, and more competition means fewer survivors. At the same time, new whale species began evolving, including the ancestors of modern sperm whales. But these whales adapted differently. Instead of hunting large prey, they focused on deep-sea environments, feeding on squid and smaller animals. This strategy required less energy and reduced competition with other predators, which means they had a survival advantage. But Livyatan could not easily switch its diet. It was specialized for hunting large prey, and when that prey disappeared, its entire survival system collapsed. And there's another important factor. Body size, being large, is powerful, but it also means higher energy needs. Livyatan needed constant access to large prey, and without it, survival became impossible. Over time, its population declined, fewer individuals, less reproduction, more competition, until eventually it disappeared completely. By the end of the Miocene, Livyatan was gone. One of the most powerful whale predators in history had vanished. But its story doesn't end there. because its extinction changed the ocean forever. Without large predators like Livyatan and Megalodon, marine ecosystems shifted again. Whales grew larger, filter-feeding species expanded, and eventually, giants like the blue whale appeared, which is the largest animal to ever exist. This shows how one extinction can reshape an entire ecosystem, and how even the most powerful predators are part of a larger system. Livyatan was one of the most powerful predators to ever swim in the ocean. But in the end, survival was not about strength. It was about adaptation.